Hello friends, today we will know to stay fit, include these things in dinner. It mostly carbs in dinner. 45 to 55% of dinner should be rich in carbs food, that is 50 to 75 grams of carbs. Do not be afraid of eating carbohydrate at night. Usually people think that eating carbs at night increases weight. To stay fit, dinner should include 20 to 25% protein rich food. That is, consume 25 to 35 grams of protein at night. Protein intake helps in keeping muscles strong, and protein is helpful in rebuilding muscles at night. People believe that fat-free food should be eaten, but eating fatty food is also very important to strengthen the body to take care of the skin. In dinner, you can give 15 to 25 grams of fat, that is 30 to 35% of your total calories to fatty food. To stay fit, it is necessary to eat 25 grams of fiber food throughout the day. In such a situation, include at least 8 grams of fiber food in your diet at night. Fiber-rich foods are also included in carbohydrate foods, such as whole grains, beans, a small piece of fruit, avocado, nuts, and seeds can be included. For similar great Ayurvedic information, like the video and subscribe to channel.